Hey guys, Taylor here. Today I am super excited because I got in this new Oribe styling butter, a curl enhancing cream, and I've been seeing rave reviews on it. So today we're gonna try it out on one side of my head and the other side I'm not gonna use it, so we can see the difference of how it impacts my signature waves. Let's get started. So first things first, I always start by sectioning my hair. So I section my hair in 3 sections when I do my signature waves that everyone asks about. So I'm gonna take the first section and tie up the rest. And then I'm gonna part it so that I know which side I'm doing my curl cream on. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this, about that much. It smells really good. I'm gonna rub it in my hands and get it kind of worked in. And then I'm just gonna take it through this side of my hair, really massaging it in and especially getting it into the ends. And then we're just gonna take my curl wand and start curling. Okay, now let's do the one with the Oribe curling cream. All right guys, here is layer 1. So this one's the non-Oribe side and this one is the Oribe side. I can definitely tell a difference. So let's keep going. Let's take our next section. Okay, y'all, definitely can tell a difference. There's a lot more curl than there is on this side. Okay, let's do the last layer. Okay, y'all, so before I brush it through, I just want to show you guys. So this is the side that I didn't use the Oribe curling cream on. And here's the side that I did. I can definitely tell a huge difference. So let's go ahead and brush these through so we're not looking all cray-cray and we get that signature wave. Ooh, pretty, pretty. I'm really liking how this side's turning out. Like, wow. Okay, now let's do the other side. Just finger brush through. Okay guys, so final review. I definitely feel like this side that I used the curl cream on held the curl a lot better when I brushed through with my fingers. It's definitely a lot more sleek and volumized than the side that I did not, which is this side, use the curl cream on. The curls fell out a lot easier and it's definitely less volumized. So final review is 10 out of 10. If you like rocking a wave or curly hair, you need the Oribe styling butter for sure.